guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. Today we are making fruity pancakes. Okay, it's a twist to it, so you have to watch to the end. All right, so this is very delicious. You can do it with your kids because it's very easy recipe. Okay, you know I like easy recipes. So as a normal pancake, this is an American pancake. It's a bit thicker than just normal pancakes. Okay, so what I have here, I have some flour. Put all the dry ingredients together, and I have some baking powder and some sugar and a bit of salt. Add that together and then you mix. So guys, I've made a well in the middle. Okay, and I'm adding my milk. Okay, the pancake we have milk in it, so I'm adding my milk and I'm adding some melted butter. I'll put all the measurement down below. Okay, and the next bit is I'm adding some vanilla extract. And then you mix it. Just mix it gently till it's well incorporated. Right guys, so I need to add some eggs. Okay, sometimes when you're in a hurry you forget to add some stuff, so I'm adding 2 eggs and then you mix it. So guys, after mixing it, you have to have a thick batter like this. Okay, so this is how I want it. So now let's fry our pancakes. So guys, I put some butter in the pan. I'll just give it a medium heat. Okay, right guys, so our pan is ready. I need to add some of my pancake mixture. So what you have to do is to wait and just check. When you see some bubbles on top, then I'll add my fruits. So guys, you can see some bubbles on top, so the next thing you need to do is just add your fruits. These are strawberries. Okay, these American pancakes are thick, so you can just add anything you prefer. That looks pretty, isn't it? So what we are going to do is to try and turn this and then cook the other side, the pancake. So as you can see that, and you see that, it's really nice. So guys, our pancake is cooked, so I'm taking it out and put that on the plate. Just look at that, it looks so delicious. Right, so let's fry some more. So what I'm doing now, I'm trying to do a pineapple one. Normally people call it upside down pineapple pancake. So as usual, you have to wait to see bubbles and you can add our fruits. Right, you can see some bubbles. I want to put my pineapple. Just want to see if I could fit 2 pineapples in there. Yes, I could fit 2 pineapples. That looks so good. So guys, you need to turn the pancake. Okay, you have to be careful. So it's nicely done. Let's wait for some few minutes and then we can take it out. Alright guys, so this is our fruity pancakes. Okay, so we have pineapple, we have strawberries, we have blueberries, we have kiwi. Okay, it's really delicious. Okay, so you have to try this, and you have to do it with, it's a fun thing to do with your cakes one Saturday morning or any bank holiday that you prefer. So this is the recipe. If you like it, okay, please give me a thumbs up, okay, and do subscribe to my channel and put on your post notifications so that when I put up a new video you will be notified. Thanks so much for watching. May God richly bless you. You can see that as well. This is the big one at the end. There's a lot of fruit on it, and I tell you, it tastes delicious. Try this recipe and you will love it. Okay, thank you. May God bless you. Bye.